How to buy Ultra Sigma Donald Trump token. So this token came under the symbol of USDT. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure first to check the X accounts and keep following for the updates about their token. Now, after that, what you need to do, just go on the screener, the token is available there. And as you can see, this token is increased by 100% in the last 24 hours. And in the last just 5 minutes, increased by 6.5723%. So as you can see, the market cap of that token, it's 10.9 to $11 million. And the volume it's $10.7 million. So the liquidity here unlocked by 90%. That's good. That's meaning investment in the safe place. So to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here and and remember that this token address is under the Solana network. Now go and open your Phantom wallet for that, and after that click on swap here and make sure first you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. So here type how much you want to buy. And as you can see, this is how much you receive of the token. Now, as you can see, this token is unverified, only interact with tokens you trust. If you are ready to go and select the provider from here, for example, OKX, and make sure to read all of this information here. And if you're ready to go, just click on swap and you will be able to redirect it to a OKX provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issues with your buy process, just go back to this page and switch the slippage from here, because the most issues came from slippage. So switch it or custom it. Now after that, go and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Ultra Sigma Donald Trump token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.